Uttar Pradesh Labour Minister Anil Rajbhar on Monday termed the violence during workers' protests in Noida a well-planned conspiracy, adding that agencies are also probing a possible Pakistan link. Around 350 people have been arrested so far in connection with the unrest. Rajbhar said initial findings indicate an attempt to disturb law and order and hinder the state's development. He pointed out that 4 suspected terrorists were recently arrested from Noida and Meerut with alleged links to handlers based in Pakistan. This, he said, strengthens suspicions of a larger conspiracy. What triggered the violence? The minister's remarks came after protests by factory workers demanding wage hikes turned violent across areas including Phase 2, Sector 60, Sector 62 and Sector 84. Incidents of arson, vandalism and stone pelting were reported, with vehicles torched, property damaged and major roads disrupted. Police deployed heavy forces and used tear gas to control the situation. Arrests, detentions and investigation. Police have arrested nearly 350 individuals, while over 100 others have been detained for questioning. CCTV footage from factories is being examined to identify those involved. 7 cases have been registered across police stations in the Gautam Budh Nagar Commissionerate, with several alleged anti-social elements taken into custody. Rajbhar also suggested that the unrest may have been aimed at disrupting Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath's program in Muzaffarnagar, alleging the role of anti-national forces. According to police, nearly 40,000 to 45,000 workers gathered at over 80 locations on Monday, leading to widespread disruption. Violence escalated in areas like Sector 63 and near the Motherson Company. Police Commissioner Lakshmi Singh said some outsiders attempted to incite unrest after workers had dispersed peacefully. Current situation and way forward. Authorities confirmed the situation is now under control, with heavy police and paramilitary deployment. 4 of the 5 worker demands have been accepted and a committee has been formed to address the remaining issue. Officials have urged people to avoid rumors and maintain peace, assuring that dialogue remains the preferred path to resolve concerns.